and the help of your government. The road network in this constituency, and since I'm at home, just allow me to say it. The road from Ewasongiro, Narosura, and Asikira, Oltulele, we have a tarmac plan, Your Excellency, and I know it's in your plan. Please make it happen for Narok West and Narok South. Equally, the road from Ngoswani, Naikara, Olpusimoru border point, up at the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Your Excellency, I know it is at your fingertips. The electricity program, these guys here in Leshuta, Naikara, had been left out. The power came up to Morijo, another line came up to Naikara. They were left in the middle, but we are just about to have that complete. Thank you to my brother, Honorable Davis Chirchir and his team. Please don't stop. The people are waiting to turn on the lights, and equally to make sure that we extend to all the neighboring schools along the line that has been put up, including all the way to Olderkesi and Olpusimoru border point, and all the adjacent schools. Your Excellency, as I conclude once again, I say thank you for coming to my village and ask all of you that you should not be in a hurry to leave. There is actually something that Leshuta has to offer. But I was telling my bishop, you know, Leshuta means the land of leeches. I think we need to change that name, Bishop, like we said, because the beauty of the land here has nothing to do with leeches. I think we can get a better name. But for sure, Leshuta has a lot to offer. The sunset here is magical. If you just stay for a few hours, you will be able to see it. The Serengeti is just a few kilometers away. And I thank you all, my guests, for really sacrificing, especially the ones who came by road. That really is a sacrifice. It's quite a journey. And like the Maasais say, Serengeti iko hapa tu, so you can actually walk across. In Leshuta, Your Excellency, we have the typical cool, calm, and collected human beings. And you can see where that comes from as a trait of mine, as I'm usually told. So that is one to sample from these great people of Leshuta. And of course, the meat. There's plenty of meat. Please don't leave before you sample this. Your Excellency, before I sit, I think I just want my parents to stand up for recognition. Mom and Dad, these are great people. Dad, apart from the late Wangari Maathai, he's the second largest environmentalist that I know. It was very difficult to do a landscaping and layout of this area for this function because he cannot allow anybody to touch his trees. We even had to seek his permission to get the Maasai toothbrush from the Osokonoi trees, which are full of his compound. And like I have said, he is the reason I am today. Thank you, Dad. Tumpigie makofi. Mom, thank you for your prayers and support. Mom, like many may not know, she's actually the politician of the family. She has been a counselor for many years, and the power behind Mzee. Thank you, Mom. My siblings, I think they are somewhere there, just to stand up for recognition. That is Alice Nanana. She's an MCA at the County Assembly. Alice, just thank you. Agnes Lunkat, she's all the way, she got married in Lodokilani in Kajiado. Just lift your hand. Seela, the last born of the family, is a lawyer in town in Nairobi. Tiras, my immediate follower, Asante Sana, and his lovely wife, Jacqueline. And then Sadala, right at the corner, our firstborn. I can't see the county secretary. Come. Mayani. Thank you. That is Mayani, a lawyer in town and also serves in the county government as county secretary. Your Excellency, also to really say thank you, I have my team here from the Ministry of Environment. If you could just stand. I've told the President, hatuwezi muangusha. Just stand up to be seen that we are really saying we will not fail His Excellency, the President, with our mission to green our country. I can see others on that end. On this end, the CEOs of parastatals, my PSs, both of them are there. Asanteni sana. My colleague, the CSs, please. Please be upstanding. From the far left, my brother and neighbor, Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, Minister for Education. Next is my sister, Honorable